Hey everybody, this is Wasilik, your broker at the real estate store. We just finished week 1 of the Breakfast Club, and this Friday is week 2. But I don't want you all to fall asleep. You have to work on the goals that we worked on between now and 2022. So those micro goals, right? Whatever 3 that you chose, you have to be able to start working on them now and see what works and what doesn't. But I have this great book. It's called Atomic Habits. Right? So whatever goals you're setting for yourself, that's great. But the way you're going to achieve your goals is not by just setting them. It's all the habits that we're going to be doing every day. So me and Jacob, he's my new videographer. Say hi, Jacob.
What's up, guys?
So with this book here, you're going to learn habits like me and Jacob. Our habit is Sunday morning, hit the gym, right? So I'll see you guys on Friday. Don't forget to turn in your points on Thursday. And got my trust bag, and me and Jake are going to go do some curls for the girls. I'll see you guys on Friday.